Just wanted to take a little video here. We also specialize in commercial HVAC repair service. We just got a service call from this restaurant here below this hotel, and they did not have AC coming in, and so we ended up coming out here, doing it after hours for them and hooking them up. So we're gonna get them taken care of. There was a slow refrigerant leak and also low on refrigerant, so we're gonna be able to get them handled, get them taken care of. So give us a call, let us know if we can help you out, or if you have any businesses or friends that we can also do. So appreciate it. Hope you guys have a good night.